Hello, I would like to welcome you all again. I'm here now to talk about Forex, about the currencies market, and as always I would like to remind you that those workshops are designed to give you a flavor of what technical analysis is, and it's not a recommendation to buy or sell any security or to invest your money in the market. Making an investment decision, it's extremely personal, and you need to have all the tools, and you need also to know how to handle those tools to make the proper decisions considering all the factors that involve trading and investing, namely timing, risk, your capital, what's your time frame, what type of how much you need that money, how soon you need that money. So there are a lot of things involving an investment decision, which would be way too much to cover in those short presentations that I've been posting on YouTube and our website. However, people that took our courses are successful traders and investors, and I would like to invite you to visit our website and check what we offer and ask me any question that it might come to you. So let's now move to MetaStock, and first let's talk about the Euro-US currency pair. Today we moved higher. In other words, Euro gained in value against the US dollar, and we reached the resistance region during the day and traded lower to close the day below the resistance region. Still, there is no decision on the markets. Remember that I've been mentioning that my expectation was for sideways action in that region here when we reached the resistance region. So we traded lower, we traded higher, lower again. Now we moved higher slowly, took a few days to get there. Until we break any one of those boundaries, either break down or break up any of those boundaries, it's impossible to say if the market is going up or down. In the meantime, the market is going sideways, and that's what I expect. So what I do as a trader or as an investor, I adjust my systems to trade according to the market. It's useless to try to extract from the market what the market does not offer. So you need to adapt to the market conditions, to the market situation. Let's move now to the US dollar, Canadian dollar. Again, when we reach that resistance region, given that downward trend line here and also that horizontal resistance level, I said that my expectation was that we were going to go after this support level here. We indeed traded lower. This day here, I remember I mentioned that I would expect some bounce. Indeed it happened, and here I mentioned that my expectation was for the market to trade lower again and go after this support level. So we now are trading at the support region, and right now my expectations for some sideways action and some small range days like we are having since yesterday, and I have that expectation for today too, until we break that level at 0.97 something, or that level 0.967 something. In other words, until we trade below that boundary here, lower, or above that boundary here, going higher, there's no way to tell where the market is going. So for me, in the meantime, the market is going sideways, and I have to adjust my trading to that situation. Now, the US dollar Japanese yen. Remember that when we reached that level here, I said that I expected some sideways action, and until we break above that level, I would not expect the market trading higher. Well, we broke above that level, and I said here that my expectation was to trade to the top of that sideways region. That's indeed what's happening. Now we are close to that top and reaching the 200 period moving average. At that point, the market will find some resistance, and it might have a few short, small range days and trade sideways for some time. Let's see what the market reserves for us tomorrow. Sorry. So, very simple, those applications that I mentioned here. I'm not talking about overcomplicated indicators or overcomplicated analysis. It's very simple, and with very little time you can make investment decisions, even if you have a day job. For several years I was managing my own account while having a day job. Now I only trade and teach trading, but for many years I've been trading and having a day job at the same time. So it is possible to do with just a few hours every week to study the market. You don't need to be overcomplicated. You don't need to go big lengths to be more profitable than what you can get from a mutual fund or an investment fund, whatever it is that you use. Nothing is as simple and as demanding as trading and investing. It's a matter of being really well prepared to the situations that the market offer. So first thing anyone needs to do is to invest in knowledge, invest in education. So several instructors bring very good education to traders and investors. I offer a package that can be very good. At least my students are very successful. So I invite you to visit our website, send me some questions, or you can use the contact form at the website, or even the comment section on YouTube to ask your questions. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice night now for me.